50 New Year's Resolutions, How to Make Them, How to Keep Them by Fiona Steinkamp. New Year's resolutions are a popular tradition symbolizing fresh starts and self-improvement. Fiona Steinkamp's book, 50 New Year's Resolutions, How to Make Them, How to Keep Them, is a comprehensive guide designed to help readers set and stick to their goals. Understanding New Year's resolutions. Steinkamp begins by exploring the concept of resolutions and why people often struggle to keep them. According to her, the main reasons for failure are vague goals, unrealistic expectations, and lack of proper planning. For example, setting a goal like get healthier is too broad and lacks a clear path to success. Instead, a specific and actionable resolution like walk 10,000 steps every day is far more effective. Why resolutions fail. The author highlights 3 common pitfalls. 1. Lack of clarity. Resolutions often fail because they are too vague. Clear goals make it easier to know what steps to take. 2. Unrealistic targets. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and discouragement. It's better to aim for progress rather than perfection. 3. No accountability. Without someone or something to hold you accountable, it's easy to give up when challenges arise. Steinkamp emphasizes that habits are deeply ingrained, and it takes time and effort to replace them with new ones. Patience and consistency are key. She advises breaking resolutions into smaller, manageable tasks and focusing on gradual improvement. For instance, instead of committing to exercise every day, start with 3 times a week and build from there. The psychological aspect of resolutions. Understanding the psychology behind resolutions is crucial. Steinkamp explains that humans thrive on small wins. Achieving a small milestone provides motivation to keep going. Additionally, she advises readers to visualize the benefits of achieving their goals, as this can strengthen their resolve. For instance, imagining a healthier and happier version of yourself can inspire you to stick to your fitness resolution. Strategies for success. In the second section, Steinkamp provides practical strategies to set and achieve resolutions. She introduces the SMART framework, which is a widely used method for goal setting. SMART criteria. 1. Specific. Define your resolution clearly. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I will save $200 every month. 2. Measurable. Establish metrics to track progress. If your goal is to read more, decide how many books you want to read in a year. 3. Achievable. Be realistic about what you can accomplish. Aiming to lose 50 pounds in a month is unrealistic, but losing 5 pounds is doable. 4. Relevant. Make sure your resolution aligns with your values and long-term goals. If you value health, a fitness-related goal is more meaningful. 5. Time-bound. Set a deadline to create urgency. For example, commit to completing a project by a specific date. Staying motivated. Motivation often wanes after the initial excitement of setting a resolution. Steinkamp offers several tips to maintain enthusiasm. Start small. Begin with achievable tasks to build confidence. Track progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your achievements. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for small wins to stay motivated. Seek support. Share your goals with friends or join a group with similar objectives. Be flexible. Life happens, and plans may need adjustment. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Overcoming setbacks. Steinkamp stresses that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Instead of viewing them as failures, treat them as opportunities to learn. If you miss a workout or overspend 1 month, analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach. Resilience and self-compassion are essential for long-term success. Exploring 50 potential resolutions. The heart of the book is its list of 50 New Year's resolutions. Steinkamp categorizes these resolutions into various aspects of life, such as health, personal development, relationships, career, and community. Each resolution comes with practical advice and actionable steps to achieve it. Exercise regularly. Start with short, manageable workouts and gradually increase intensity. Find activities you enjoy, like dancing or swimming, to make exercise fun. Eat healthier. Focus on adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your meals. Plan your meals ahead to avoid unhealthy choices. Get enough sleep. Create a bedtime routine and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Avoid screens before bed. Drink more water. Carry a reusable water bottle and set reminders to stay hydrated throughout the day. Quit smoking. Seek professional help or join support groups. Replace smoking with healthier habits like chewing gum or deep breathing exercises. Read more books. Set a specific goal, such as reading one book per month. Keep a list of books you want to read. Learn a new skill. Pick something you've always wanted to learn, like cooking or painting. Take online courses or join local classes. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice can improve your overall happiness. Reduce screen time. Set limits on your phone and social media use. Use the time you save to focus on hobbies or relationships. Start journaling. Write about your thoughts and feelings to gain clarity and reduce stress. Strengthen family bonds. Plan regular family activities and communicate openly. Show appreciation for your loved ones. Make new friends, join clubs, attend events, or volunteer to meet new people. Improve communication skills. Practice active listening and express your thoughts clearly and respectfully. Be more present. Put away distractions and focus on meaningful interactions with others. Resolve conflicts, address issues calmly, and seek solutions that work for everyone involved. Advance your career. Take courses to improve your skills or network with professionals in your field. Save more money. Create a budget and track your expenses. Set specific savings goals. Start investing. Learn about investment options and consider consulting a financial advisor. Pay off debt. Prioritize high-interest debts and create a repayment plan. Improve work-life balance. Set boundaries and make time for activities that bring you joy. Volunteer. Find causes you're passionate about and dedicate time to helping others. Reduce waste. Adopt sustainable practices like recycling, composting, and using reusable items. Support local businesses. Shop locally and promote small businesses in your community. Plant a garden. Grow your own fruits, vegetables, or flowers to connect with nature. Be more charitable. Donate to organizations or fundraisers that align with your values. In-depth examples. To bring the resolutions to life, Steinkamp provides detailed examples. For instance, she discusses how to turn a resolution to exercise more into a step-by-step plan. 1. Start with a clear goal. Walk 30 minutes every day. 2. Break it down. Begin with 10 minutes a day and gradually increase. 3. Plan ahead. Schedule walks into your calendar to make them a priority. 4. Stay accountable. Join a walking group or share your goal with a friend. 5. Celebrate progress. Treat yourself to a new pair of walking shoes after a month of consistency. To conclude, 50 New Year's resolutions. How to Make Them, How to Keep Them by Fiona Steinkamp is an invaluable guide for anyone looking to make meaningful changes in their life. By combining psychological insights, practical strategies, and a diverse list of resolutions, the book provides a clear roadmap for success. Whether you want to improve your health, relationships, or personal growth, Steinkamp's advice can help you turn your aspirations into lasting achievements. With patience, resilience, and a commitment to progress, you can make this year your most fulfilling one yet.